I had a customer come in today. Her phone was not, microphone was not working. So she only wanted the microphone replaced. As you can see here, the phone's completely damaged, and the microphone, which is right here, this cable has snapped. And this is why her microphone was not working. If I can get that out. There, that cable snapped right off the microphone head, which is this right here. There's two microphones on the bottom. There's one at the top, but that's an earpiece. And a lot of times when yours does stop working, it's likely due to damage like this. You get separation in the frame and it just pulls away. It's very, very fragile piece of wire. There's nothing else securing that to the frame except that cable that snapped. So instead of just replacing her cable, I had this case laying around. So I figured I'd help her out and replace the entire frame for her too. You know, when she comes in, we'll record her reaction and see what she thinks. Yeah. Good talking to you too, man. I did you a salad. I did you a salad. Okay. I'm gonna look out for her this time. I fixed her back with the charging port.
Yes, thank you.
You
So
still
my
gotta fix
charger
the
port
front.
was broke. That's what it was.
It snapped because where you had that little crack, it snapped the wire.
Okay.
So I said, you know what, I'm gonna be nice and give her a whole back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anytime. Why are you yelling at her in my store? Why are you doing